Oh wow, I'll play BAZAAR. I just don't know which class I want to pick. But do I really have a choice? Hmm. So apparently it's good to keep track of days, and day 3 is lethal when you're fighting a mob. Golden mob, you're not gonna beat them.
Now this is
It's weird.
literally.
Also, you need this +2 XP if you can get it. It's very nice.
You do.
Guy is miserable. He's not really dealing any damage. 1 damage at a time. Oh, critical hit is available for him. Nice. I might want to watch Crips first days.
Wasn't.
Jungle Ruins give Pygmalion 2 income? What the hell? Yeah, I'm not so sure what to pick. Yeah, I have extra space and no actual weapons. I didn't thought about that. Fuck. I don't think I can use Feather this early. But these are scaling items, so I have to sell whatever I can.
I should warn.
Nah. Bro is using extra spaces and has scaling. The only thing I have is maybe critical hit that can save me. Not even that. Oh. That bite, bro. Did you see that bite? Ho ho! Holy! We got him. We fucking got him, bro.
Another round.
God damn. So the biggest mistake you can do is click this. It's crazy to me. It blows my mind. It's so heavy. Maybe if you have an insane shield, you can beat it. I have regen, like that's pretty badass shield. I have a lot of health for some reason. I was eating chocolate. Alright, that's pretty good.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Yeah, I'll approach the player with the right experience. And I will need to expand.
For me,
Let's go.
is talking fast.
Fucking triple weapon, let's go. I mean, this is reasonable.
Your coins are like dust in
Triple weapon, bro.
Thank you.
Nah, it's so weird. It is an overkill. Ooh, income. Property. Actually, I want to look into it, like, what is this? Oh, you just get it. Level up, spare change. I still didn't get the experience. Oh, come on, man. It's too late for this.
More is more, Al.
Oh, alright, that's good. That's really good. Big boy. Pick me up. Okay, money tree's not too bad. I can just have it right now. Although... No, it's not better. Alright, day 3, we should be able to come back on this one. No? Are we also gonna get a punish day 3? Yup. Fuck you. Just a pure fucking build at this point. Unbelievable. And it scales. Oh, yes, of course. I forgot to do that. There's no way I can kill him. Just how it heals me. Maybe? Crit? Not even crit helps me. Oh my fucking god. Full heal. Ah, yes, of course. Day 3 is just pure annihilation, man. Vanessa number 4. Level 6 for some fucking reason. I stop looking at this number. Always pisses me off. I think I got this. You just need 3 hits on this guy. Where the fuck is he getting armor? Damn.
No hard feelings, right?
You have a chance to build around giant club. Oh, goddamn, boy. Meaning that I have to sell. All of that. All of those cash registers, man.
Go make some more stuff.
I'll have it. I'll have what he's having. And then beat up some freezing NPC. No, don't have space for you, dude. Although textile is also questionable. Dog food. Dog biscuits. Wait. Where's the frost? Is it takes... oh my god, I kind of lose to this sometimes. Don't remember exactly. Oh. That's a smack in the balls. Game over, buddy. People are liable for my damages. I did pretty well recently with mountain passes. I'm still testing it out.
Bring her about.
Ooh, chompers. Oh, and it freezes the item, I forgot. You can literally just negate a bunch of Vanessa builds, which means that just one of them. And when I say a bunch, it's one. Now let's buy some skills. Use a tool, fart faster. Healing items are gonna be so fucking good right now. It's gonna be crazy.
You learn quick, which dramatically increases your chance.
Yes, I have them. Yes, I have them. Quite monstrosity, man. But that's like any item in the game. But that's like any monster in the game. And I look... oh, fuck off. I don't even have a chance. There's no fucking way. Well, shield helps. Now that I have it. I need to smack him real hard, man. Smack him, let's go! Oh, baby, a triple. Did I lose?
It's
No, I win.
all about motivation. You gotta know.
I have 4 wins.
Sales.
For some reason. What happened? How could this be? Maybe it's time to switch to mass scaling. This would scale not that many more items. Nah. Never would I ever. Oh wow, I have to switch these because I'll be fighting a poison monster. And my healing item's gonna scale a little faster. And that's why dog. Me is smart. And one more hit, baby. Boom. 50%.
Not all.
Dog is a little bit better than Regal Blade, I realize. For an obvious reason. You can buy and sell weapons and nothing will happen. But when you buy a dog, something will happen. When you eat chocolate and all that shit, things will be happening. Happening. Obviously, late game, Regal Blade, pretty good. But right now, maybe not even obvious. Do I need economy items, really?
On your enemy's face when they realize
Not that
they
deep.
just can't hurt you.
Well,
Blocking is
that
almost like
sucked.
striking. In fact, reversed.
Thule. No fucking way, that's not a tool. No weapons. This guy's choking me out. There's no way, man. This is the worst selection of skills ever. Oh boy. I feel weak and stupid.
I should warn you.
Oh no, this is not good. He'd be eating my items like crazy. Wrong items, bro. Pick the wrong item. No, but the fucking stupid fucking arm. It's gonna be frozen forever. We just counter this bad boy. In no shape or form because we get busted. Our nuts busted, man. Man, I hate when my nuts get busted. This was ridiculous, bro.
Now you can learn a lot from losing.
Absolutely insane. The Brig Buddy's so stupid. Holy shit. Adjacent? I didn't check if I reached my limits, but that's the one. Yes, alright. We have to still find something special. Lame.
Peaceful, punish the
Never mind.
warful.
We got it. We fucking got it. Except this doesn't have multicast, so it's trash. Another non-weapon. So basically we just go full fucking giant. Have Crip done that yet? Have he done it? He done did it though? Maybe he didn't do it. Maybe it's cool build now.
Friend, but I'm glad you bought this.
Adjacent. Ugh, now it's a little awkward. But we can fix this. It's fine. So we freeze item just for the sake of fucking freezing an item, bro. We are a freezer. In fact, we can just buy this too. Like an idiot. We can. Oh, it's not a property? What the fuck are you talking about? It's not a property. It's the greatest property of all time. God damn, man. Well, gotta
Your aura guided me.
spend those cashews, man.
I can feel our energies resonating.
For the shields. But what's next, man? More shields. No one's gonna stop me now. So, does this bonk out everyone? Is that how it works? Do we just bonk them? Or are we the losers around here? We're the losers? Boom! It's stacking a little bit of fire, but not that much. Oh shit! Bonk him, bonk him! Oh no, he didn't bonk! Oh my fucking god, bro. Well, it wouldn't change a thing.
Losing is a lesson.
Damn, that's the worst. Losing against monsters is just the worst thing. Yeah, with this much region, I would've... Yeah, if the fucking skill wasn't fucking open for business, closed, that's not even a business, apparently, bro. Eat my fucking shorts, man. Sell chocolates. What the fucking bullshit is this? Gain gold max health equal to the amount of gold gained. Whoa! Either one of these are fucking awesome. Never mind with this crit thingy. Yeah, you could have crit, couldn't you? Fucking asshole. Jesus. You know what? We should spend all the goldies. Just because we can. Become extremely OP. And still lose like a loser that has no good items. But a bunker. I mean, by now, like, my dog is a bunker as well. What the fuck's the point? Oh, boy. Oh, freeze my item, baby. Come at me. Come at, keep freezing my item. I am the freezer. Freeze counter, fucking Ray builds? You tell me that's a Ray build right there? What happened? Holy my Jesus. Oh boy. We got the haste. Master of haste, bro. He looks like a small dude, but he's pretty good. Okay, we can get there. Bam, bam. I'm gonna see Bunker in action now. Against not. Oh, if you freeze, it's over, bro. You're fucked. Oh shit, I'm getting burnt. And slowed. Ugh. The slowness is what's gonna kill me, bro. Jesus. No, it's over, man. Low freeze is crazy. Can get any crits or triggered his special ability. No, that's fucked up. He just fully healed too. Wow.
Next time I'll show you what I
Fucking.
learned.
Oh, freeze is now obsolete. Actually, just one healed. Yeah, that was lame. Didn't help at all. Whoa, boy. If only I had money. No, we're not selling anything crazy, so
Well, I think you're really gonna enjoy that.
forget about that part. Chocolate. Let's go. Look at you, freezing my stuff. Wouldn't recommend doing that, man. Not a good idea. Yeah. My dog is coming back to the meta. I want to see upgraded Club Boy. 1,000? You gotta be shitting me, bro. That's fucked up. What the hell? Plus health or goomballs. You know what I want? Critical hit. Now critical hit is pretty much guaranteed on the dog. Fuck yeah, it's guaranteed. So, do this. Lefty? Lefty. Nope. Sell that. I'm scared of picking skills now, like they're so stupid.
The smaller the portions, the finer the meal.
At least for pig. Well,
Shall I gift wrap it for you?
it was nothing.
Tell everyone you got it here.
Well, it's a small item, but it's a weapon.
My dreams are
Gain health a little bit every time.
You
We
should
gain
know,
health,
I'm
so.
a bit of a legend on Pelago.
Oh, you're frozen, buddy. Unless somehow he super crits me. He's fast. He's frozen, bro. We just counter this guy.
You should put it
That's what I'm talking about. I don't know how that worked out. But he can't use any more sniper rifle. Bro got obliterated the same way he would do it to me.
It's all
Oh
about
my
motivation.
god.
You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Double crit. It's not even funny. Bro, if this does not work and does not give you 110, like, what the fuck is the point of the fucking globe? You know? This gains 1 point value. Man, it's... I have to test it out, but, like, this is gonna be disaster. Absolute disaster. I think we can buy this, too. It's not that bad. Especially when it's gonna gain health from that. Talking about health. Spent all my money on that shit. Is it worth it? Of course it's worth it.
Just taking the first step toward good taste.
Of course it's worth it.
Whoever said money
Look
can't
at
buy
this shit.
class had neither. You wanna buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
It's worth doing this now. Because I have this. This better work, man, I swear.
One for your size.
There's nothing worse than things not working, man. What the fuck for?
Remember,
It's crazy
diamonds come
already.
in small boxes.
And yet,
I think
it's
this
not good
fits
enough.
beautifully.
Or it would be crazy at day like 3 or something. Damn, now it's slap. On day 3. Alright, do we get shield or we don't get shield? I'll be very pissed. Because this 120 shield's not even a lot. Not even that much, man. Fuck it. You pieces of shit. They didn't even fucking design anything. They didn't give a fuck. Oh yeah. Start of battle, 120 shield. Wow. What a unique effect. In my ass. Where's the strong part? He just tried scraping
I can see you're going places.
with 300 damage.
Chasing you.
He has balls for that. Not gonna lie.
Get
Yeah, bitch, Globe. What a scam. It's a fucking scam. Like, it's crazy to me. It's absolutely crazy. How did they dare to do that? Alright. Gold. We can gain gold. And that's always fascinating. Sporting point is actually not interesting to me. It's usually very interesting, but... let's just keep searching for item. Potentially it's
Imagine the wonders waiting
game
for us in the
breaking.
land.
Fucking crit. Oh no. That's like crazy. Like genuinely I
That
need
belongs
it.
in a museum, but I guess
Here we
we'll
go.
keep it.
I mean technically we need the haste as well. It's just amulet boy. I'm the amulet boy. And it hastes more items too. Might as well just put a fucking spare change in there. In case a homeless person gets bonked by me. I don't know what to do with Awakened District, but I can try. You know, fight it. Is there a chance? Like, it's gonna take some time for it to charge up, but it feels like it's gonna be 7,000 damage or some bullshit like that. And yet, I will have 7,000 health, and potentially even crit this piece of shit. Well, very tough situation, I'm not gonna lie. I don't wanna fucking lose to this bullshit, I swear. But it is what it is, man. Ouch. Oh, it's hasting itself, too. Because why not? And they're also gonna gain. No. X with its health. It's ridiculous. It's so fucking ridiculous, this thing. What the hell, man?
this, get me down.
And Crypt sometimes clicks on that bastard. I don't understand. Shield weapons. There's nothing good about Pig, man. It's absolute trash, these skills. Use a weapon, give a Jason. Fuck this bullshit, man. We use a property, of course. We're just using properties all the time. So stupid.
Your training is not complete.
Don't give me district. Holy shit, man. How do you beat district? I will never know. Even when I see it dying.
You gotta be with the goblins.
No crit.
Flanks.
Huh.
You seem like a nice person. Maybe too nice.
You know that. You know that. Why is it just items? Non-weapons, basically. What the fuck? Are you kidding me right now? You gotta be fucking kidding me. It literally just does non-weapons. What is wrong with this game? Damn, fucking stupid. I was so excited and it doesn't work as intended by me. Whatever. Now I feel defeated.
You do see these
I could still get 10 wins though. That would be crazy, dude. And no ray. Just pure fucking cancer. Oh shit, look at this cancer, dude. He is freezing something. So that means bonkers. Nope, he just froze twice and now he's fucking fully healing into insanity. And most importantly, slowing me down with something that I don't understand. Oh, wow. Cool. So interesting. Shield effects, let's go. Double,
This pork roast.
Are you willing to give me a good shield skill now?
You'll barely even need an offense.
That's crazy.
Wield it well enough.
That's pretty good.
Shield can be its own
I'll
kind
take
of
that.
weapon.
And put it in my mouthies. I can definitely spend 5 this time around. Well, we gotta pick some fucking juicy boy, because I want to know my power level, even if it kills me. Because this is a pretty crazy one. When we shield for 6,000, we double our health with an item every time it's used. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get a life. Scratching my butt crack.
Malians are passive.
Little bitch. Oh, use all your items. That sounds pretty fun. That sounds like something I would want to do in my spare time. What the fuck? Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh yes, please. Of course. Oh, I don't know, man. I want to exchange bonkers, but there's those 3 small items too. Man, this is fucking stupid. Use this, then uses all your items. Again, I am immortal, guys. In fact, it's gonna get hit. You're gonna get bonked by 2,000 fours just for what is this build, bro? This is absolute nasty. What the hell? What the hell? Help me, Jesus, comprehend the universe and its creatures. Whoa! We got a bunker. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. We should be fine. Wow, this is the best run ever now. It's a generic fucking dog with silk.
Got everything you need.
But it's so not generic when you just fall below. You fall, man. You fall like a cracker. Honestly, Claw, bro. Like, why not? Why not claw sometimes? Claw his face off. We just switched the builds out of nowhere.
Circuits to see that find a home.
Damn, it's fucking mental. Could I change even more with this? I can freeze it itself.
Hooey!
Wow.
That's a bargain.
Feather. Activate. Hopefully I can buy everything.
That's been sitting there.
This is amazing, by the way.
Waiting for you.
So when you have like a small haste item like this, you gotta go
Well, you're doing
above
your
the
part
curve.
to clean
It's
up
sad
the
that my
bazaar.
dog is like Red Jansing and just got replaced. But you know what?
Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything.
I don't know. Maybe you know.
Well, you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar.
40 points of health from pawn shop. Imagine that. It's literally impossible.
Food is life. Our bodies are just containers for it.
Alright, place your bets. Do we bonker this guy or not bonker this guy with this weird ass build? Is it a bunkers? Or do we just lose? We get to survive for a very long time. So I feel like this is gonna get used eventually. I don't even feel anything for this man. And the second hit, if he actually scrapes my armor first of all, second hit is gonna be felt from a mile away. It's crazy, dude. Eclipse minus 3 deciseconds already. My goodness. Goodness gracious, man. Man. And every time I use an item, it scraps my opponent a little bit. I feel like that's the... Although plus 600 health. That's amazing for a newbie. Who needs help? I don't need help. Who the fuck needs health? When you have your friends in the stash. When you have a big claw. Everyone wants to be a crab, of course.
Make deals.
That's how life
War.
works.
You are enough, friend. But I'm
So I
glad
think the
you
bonker is outmatched for the first time. I didn't thought it was gonna happen, man.
could share this experience today. Your aura guided me to what you needed.
The final battle? Wow. That's a video. We just found a fucking video in here. Inside this video game, we have video. Void Golem is pretty scary, though. There's nothing anyone can do anymore. Look at that gold splash. Yes. Yes, please. Use property would be insane. Why is it highlighting this? It's not a property. Excuse me? It's fucking stupid. How about use property skill? Can you find one of those? Your leftmost, rightmost have equal double their value. Thank you. You just double this guy's power level. Well, it did something. It's not like it's a big deal. Definitely did something. Boom balls, man. Alright. Now what?
I should warn
What do you do, bro? Because, could win. Potentially. I don't know. I don't know what kind of fucking Vanessa build could win. Oh. No, that doesn't do anything, bro. Wait, it does explode a bunch of times. What the f... That's insane, bro. Amazing. Crit. Was it crit 100? We'll never know. We're just not gonna fucking know that part. Wow. Just like creeper explosion. Doesn't fucking matter what you had there. Of course. He would have fucking died, man, if he just, like, didn't crit me. If I had a fucking chance to lose a health. Nope. Wow. I did not see that happen, but we did see that happen. Fucking cancer. I almost feel like my day has been ruined, man. Yeah. Because it's a lot of work doing the silk bullshit. And it's like, you couldn't even use a fucking item. It's like, what the fuck is this game, man? Sometimes. Freeze, freeze, freeze. Can't use item. Explode. This actually just, like, shows what the game actually is right now. Like, none of your items actually matter. None of those strategies actually matter. You just explode. And that's it. Game over, bro. Enjoy the game. And it's a little bit like this every now and then. And they're just so stupid. So stupid. None of your strategies matter because you got fucking poisoned by pufferfish. Or Lizzo. That didn't... Your shield didn't matter. Well, where's the counter to poison? Have Reynat thought about it? Where's that counter to poison? Will he apologize for anything? Because people are suffering. Yeah. I'll give him that. That's a cool explosion, but... Damn, it's so dumb. Yeah, pretty sure that chocolate is better than gaining gold. Man, getting a chocolate... Oh, so much better. Who the fuck even knows? Maybe it was silver chocolate and I pissed on it. Damn, that was skill right there. He's still missing that level up, but he never really needed extra space. Let's just find a bonus meme. Fuck it. So he actually has this versus NPCs. Wow. I mean, secretly it's a scaling item. Wow, marbles is actually better than I thought, huh? But of course it is.
Both with the yo-yo. I think if I had
Misplay, let's go, bitch.
it's a pretty big blunder, actually.
Yeah, but shit happens. That's Tiny Beast for him? What do you mean? Really?
Wow, diamond marbles.
He got crazy vendors so far.
now that's quality.
I thought I would win by a larger margin. Way, dude.
Let's go.
He won because...
I paint my ship.
He won because slow effect. Wherever the fuck it's coming from.
No.
Jesus. Increased and slowed. Like, this is insanity now.
This is mine. Yeah, crit piggle is what I'm looking for.
Where are you gonna put it though?
3 crit.
His build is boring compared to mine. Injustice, man.
Random enchantment.
Uh-oh. See, his build is so boring he can't even get one of my pieces. That's kind of dub. That's my meme right there. I made a better video than Crib did. Get the fuck out of here, Crib. I exploded with passion.